You'll gain instant access to everything inside Ted's Woodworking. Plus, to make this a no-brainer decision for you, I'm also going to come out of my own pocket and give you a full 60-day love-it-or-shove-it triple guarantee. Just try Ted's Woodworking for 60 days. If you can't find the plan you are looking for, if you don't complete your projects easier and faster than before, or even if you don't like the font I use in the plans, it doesn't matter. I'll gladly refund every penny. No questions asked, no hassles, and no hard feelings. But if you're ready to get started, you really do need to act quickly, because the one stipulation John made me agree to when we created this program was that we have to limit how many people we give it away to. After all, John makes his living using the plans we are giving you in the package, so he asked me to cap the total number of copies I give away to 20,000. And we've currently sold 19,631. And to be honest, it's still up for discussion, but I'll honor John's request if he insists on it. Which means if you come back to this website tomorrow or later this week, and you find that this presentation has been taken down, I'm sorry to say there simply won't be anything I can do for you. But why would you wait or put this small investment off anyway? You have absolutely no risk at all. You have a full 60 days to try all the plans, and you can begin building any project you want within minutes from now. Not just that, if you act now before this presentation ends, I'll toss in this one-of-a-kind super bonus worth over $97. You will get 1 full year of personal email coaching from me. Yes, that's right. Think of it as a private coaching program with a master woodworker. You can contact me anytime. Ask me whatever you want, whenever you want, 24/7 for 1 full year. Listen, I'm here for you every single step of the way, so I'll be there for all of the help that you need in your project. In fact, this normally goes for $97, and I was going to sell this as a special add-on to anybody who bought my package. But as a thank you for watching this presentation, I'm giving it to you for free. And that brings your total value to over $400. Yet, today, if you act now, it's all yours for just 1 single payment of only $67. Click on the orange button that says Add to Cart to lock in your discounted price now. Here's what more satisfied customers have to say. Jason says, "This is a woodworker's dream. It was like having a master woodworker standing over my shoulder, guiding me every step of the way. I built my son his first treehouse over the weekend, and the next thing you know, I've got 20 kids in my backyard." Bradley says, "The plans are super easy to read and understand, unlike several others I looked at online. I can't wait to get started building some of the pieces, and I have some projects picked out to start as soon as I can get the lumber." Lewis says, "Hey Ted, I just want to thank you for this excellent resource. It rekindled my passion for woodworking, and I can't thank you enough. The range of projects and the quality of your plans makes this package a real bargain. Join thousands of hobbyists, beginners, and professionals, and start building projects the smarter way. Look below this video right now. Click on the orange button that says Add to Cart to claim your discounted price now. You'll be granted immediate access to everything, the Ted's Woodworking 16,000 Plans collection, and all the bonuses. Plus my 1-year personal coaching and advice bonus worth $97 just for taking immediate action today. Plus, you'll get the option of getting everything on 2 DVDs shipped to your mailbox. Here's what will happen the moment you click the Add to Cart button below this video. First, you'll be taken to our 100% secure checkout page. Then after you order, you can select the add-ons you prefer to help you get started with your projects even faster. Then simply click on the button that says Complete Your Order. It will look just like this. In the next page, you will have the option to get the 2 DVD edition as well. Finally, you'll get your members-only account details to access all your products. Plus, I have a few additional gifts too. It's that simple. Okay, that was a lot to cover, and you may be feeling a bit overwhelmed, and that's okay. Basically, this means you have 2 choices on where you go from here. Choice 1, go at your project alone and make do with the plans you can find. And who knows, you may roll the dice and get your project complete. And if you're lucky, you won't waste more time and money than you should. It's fine if you want to do this. Most people do. Then again, most people give up and spend about 4 to 5 times what they should. Or there's choice number 2, the savvy choice. This is the quickest, easiest, and smartest way to build the project you desire. Let me do the work for you. Why start from scratch when I've got the exact step-by-step blueprint for almost any woodworking project you can think of? Plans that have been used for years to build thousands of dazzling projects easily without fancy woodworking skills or high-dollar tools. And you would be able to build whatever do-it-yourself project you want without spending days or months looking for a plan or spending a fortune hiring someone to do it for you. How nice would that feel for a change? Here's my promise to you. Just go through all my plans, and you will be amazed at how quickly you can start and finish woodworking projects. In fact, if you're like a lot of folks who have purchased this, you're going to feel like you suddenly have a superpower. The power to build anything you want. The power to create stunning projects easily. Just imagine what it would be like to have complete freedom to build any project you want and never have to spend a dime on worthless do-it-yourself magazines or overpriced furniture again. You'll feel empowered, full of hope and optimism, and you'll experience the joy, the satisfaction to know with 100% certainty that your project will turn out exactly the way you want it to look. Remember, Ted's Woodworking is the only woodworking package that offers a love it or shove it 100% money-back guarantee. Try it first for 60 full days on me. Either you're thrilled with what you see, or you pay absolutely nothing. Plus, I never leave you hanging. Either myself or my support team will get back to you quickly with any questions you have, so you'll always feel taken care of. Look below right now. Click on the orange button that says Add to Cart to claim your discounted price now. You'll be granted immediate access to everything, the Ted's Woodworking 16,000 Plans collection and all the bonuses, plus my 1-year personal coaching bonus worth $97, just for taking immediate action today. Remember, along with Ted's Woodworking, you will also be getting the award-winning DWG and CAD Plan Viewer. This software allows you to edit, modify, or create your own plans. 150 premium woodworking video lessons. Get access to my extensive collection of detailed video tutorials and learn professional tips and techniques. How to Start a Woodworking Business. A book that will show you step-by-step how to start and operate a profitable woodworking business from home. Complete woodworking guides, over 200 pages of solid step-by-step woodworking tips and tricks with detailed drawings, diagrams, and photos. And finally, my super bonus, the 1-year private coaching and training program with me, so you'll always have a master craftsman guide you along every step of the way with your project. Just do not put this off 1 second longer. Here's why. First, as you recall, John made me agree to cap the number of copies we sell to 20,000. And we've currently sold 19,631. You just need to realize that I'm going to have to eventually stop accepting orders once we hit the limit. So you must act now, before I have to do that. It may be today, tomorrow, or in the next week. Also, you don't want to feel left out if my free super bonus, the one-on-one private coaching, is no longer available, as it won't be for much longer, at least for free. Only the first comers get access to this bonus and the discounted price. Everyone else will be out of luck. And let's remember, unless you take action now, today, you may never take action. You may do what many others do and put it off, just for a few more days, which turns into months, then years. So let's make sure you do the only smart thing you can do. Take advantage of this limited time offer while you still can, and experience for yourself what it's like to get woodworking projects done quickly, inexpensively, and with professional results every time. Click the Add to Cart orange rectangular button below, and let's get you started now. Now, you're still here? Let me just answer some questions you might have about me and about the Ted's Woodworking package so you can make an informed decision about whether or not you should get it. This is a very comprehensive package. It is in-depth and it covers almost any kind of woodworking project. It will transform the way you look at woodworking forever, and it will work whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker. Many of my customers try to wing it and come back later with a half-finished project. No, there are many steps along the way you have to follow. My plans will show you the right way to do it so you'll complete projects on time, the first time, every time. So let me just get into the questions. Patrick asks, Ted, how do I get access to the plans? Is it something sent to my house? Great question, Patrick. We're in the digital age, and one of the things I'm really excited about is how we deliver this program. So the way it works is you're going to enter your credit card information on the next page. After that, you'll get instant access to the package. You'll be getting your login information for our site. It's kind of a membership site, but don't worry about a monthly membership fee or anything like that. You will pay only once, and that's all you pay. There's no additional charges, no hidden charges, no nothing like that. We just don't work that way. I also provide the DVDs of all the plans and bonuses shipped to your mailbox. It costs an extra $20, and we ship worldwide. You don't really need the DVD since everything is online at our site. You can access it from your computer, iPad, your mobile phone, anything that's connected to the internet. You can download everything and access it offline. Plus, we'll be updating this package with new plans every month. I will email you once there are updates so you can return to the members page and download the new plans. Brett asks, can I buy plans separately? I only need a few projects. Thanks for asking this, Brett. Look, it doesn't make sense to purchase one plan when I'm offering this deal for my entire package at only $67. I've sold my plans separately for a lot more, but I've bundled everything together due to repeated requests. I also thought it would be convenient for everyone. This offer will not last forever, though. After my launch celebration, I will price the price back up to $197. Think about it this way. Even if you don't intend to use most of the plans, this is a great deal any way you look at it. For just one low price of $67, you can keep the rest of my plans forever. It will be handy in the future to have access to this huge collection of woodworking plans. Simon asks, I really want this, but I want to make sure it's safe. How does your guarantee work? Simon, I totally understand that question. It's a question I would have myself if I was in your situation. It can be a little scary just buying things online. I will say right now that thousands of woodworkers have enrolled in this program already. I use a system called ClickBank to process the orders. ClickBank processes thousands of orders a day. They're a very well-known company. They have a great reputation, and I guarantee you that it's safe when you go there. Now, when you actually make your purchase, it's not going to say Ted McGrath. It's not going to say Ted's Woodworking Package in your credit card statement. It's going to say ClickBank on it. It will have the charge for $67 on there, and you'll be completely taken care of and completely safe. Again, I totally understand where you're coming from, but ClickBank has been around, I think, almost as long as Amazon, and they're a similar kind of system in this way. They're basically a processing company that handles all that stuff so I can focus on creating woodworking plans. And the 60-day money-back guarantee is my personal promise to you. If you don't like it for any reason, just drop me an email, and I will refund you the full amount within 48 hours or less. There will be no questions, no fine print, no BS. You can even keep everything you've downloaded since there's nothing to return. This is how confident I am that you'll love the plans. So all you have to do to get access is click the button below. Just click the button below. You'll be brought to a page to confirm your order. You'll enter your credit card information, and you'll be inside the Ted's Woodworking Package members area within a few minutes from now. You have nothing to lose. You're backed up by my guarantee. You'll be able to download my plans. Get into it. Print out your first project and start making sawdust. I can't wait to hear about your success like the thousands of woodworkers we've heard from already. Again, I've been Ted McGrath. I want to thank you for your time, and I really sincerely hope you will give yourself the opportunity to experience how easy woodworking can truly be. Bye.